What's up, YouTube? I just woke up. It's the 4th of July. So, I'm taking a nap. And then, I'm gonna get back with y'all.
It's 4th of July. I'm ready to pop these firecrackers. Don't pop them on me. What the police say?
The police right there.
Oh yeah, I forgot to record. But right now, I finna walk to get a scooter. Me and my brother, we finna be riding scooters. Okay, y'all, we walking and go get the scooters. People are already popping fireworks right now. And comment down below if you popping fireworks right now. Okay, y'all, we couldn't get on scooters. It wasn't working when we went. But we went to Family Dollars. And that was it. So I'm gonna get to y'all when I go home. Okay, y'all, so I just got back home. I'm gonna wait a little bit. And then I'm gonna get back to y'all when I go downtown. Okay, chat, I'm gonna start seeing fireworks before I get real close. Okay, y'all finna get real close. So as y'all can see, I'm sweating. We just had the best fireworks show. If you went, comment down below. But I had fun. This is now the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And deuces.